Hello children, welcome to my channel Calculus. In this session we will study a new lesson, that is chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Then first, equation. What do you mean by an equation? Equation means a statement of equality between two expressions consisting of variables or numbers. That is, two expressions connecting with the equal sign, the left side and right side are equal, then it becomes an equation. Okay, then variables. What do you mean by variables? You know that the name shows that variables means it can vary. Usually we use small alphabets for variables. Then linear equation. Then linear polynomial we studied, that is the highest power of that variable is 1, then that is called a linear polynomial. That way linear equation means that the equation's highest power of that variable is 1, then that is called a linear equation. Linear equations in two variables means that equation consisting of two variables. For example, x plus y equal to 0. This is an equation and also a linear equation. Power of x and y are 1. Then x is a variable, y is a variable. That is, two variables are there, x and y. Then another equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is also a linear equation. Power of x and power of y is 1. So this is also a linear equation. Then this equation also consists of two variables, which are the x and y. So this equation x and y, this equation x and y. So these two equations, the variables are same. Then these two equations together we can call pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. That is our title, pair of linear equations in two variables. Last year we studied that representation of linear equations graphically, that is a straight line. Then now we know an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Then often a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, instead of that we can write a square plus b square not equal to 0. In this condition, instead of this way we can write a square plus b square not equal to 0. Consider a linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Then when x equal to 1, y equal to 1, this left side LHS equal to 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 1, 3, that equal to 5, which is equal to RHS. Then when x equal to 0, y is equal to 1, then LHS equal to 2 into 0, that is 0, plus 3 into 1, 3, equal to 5, which is not equal to RHS. That is, left side is 0 plus 3 is 3 and right side is 5, which is not equal to RHS. So in this case, that is x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. But x equal to 0, y equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. So we can say that when we represent the graph x equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is the point 1, 1 lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. But x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, that is 0, 1 does not lie in the graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. That is a straight line. That graph it does not include. That is, this point 1, 1 lies on the line representing 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 on the graph, and if 0, 1 does not lie on the graph representing 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So we can say that every solution of an equation is a point on the line representing it. Okay. Last year you studied that if two given lines are in a plane, then three possibilities happen. That is, first one in this way. That is, two lines intersect at a point. Lines intersect at a point. Then second one, in this way, two lines not intersecting, that means they are parallel. And the third, the lines are coincident, that means it occurs on the same line. Also, we studied last year for representing graphically this linear equation. That is, pair of linear equations is given, we can represent it in graphically. For example, two linear equations s plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. For substituting any values for x, we can find out y. And here also substituting x, we can find out y. 2 or 3 points we can find out. Plotting that points, we can draw the graph. So first s plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So first we take in this way, here x, here y value. We want to find out here also x, y. So first this equation s plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, that is we can write 0, then 2y, this time 0, 2y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So 0, 2 we get a point. Then when x equal to 2, then 2 plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. That is 2 minus 4 minus 2, that is 2y is equal to 2, y equal to 1. That is when x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Then when x equal to 6, 6 plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 6 minus 4, 2. So 2y is equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1. That is x equal to 6, y equal to minus 1. Then one more point we can find out, x equal to 4. This equation becomes 4 plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. That is 4 minus 4 cancel. 2y equal to 0, that is y equal to 0. So 4 and 0. Here also we can find out 4 points. Here x equal to 0, then 4y equal to 12, y equal to 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. That is 0, 3. Then when x equal to 2, here 2 into 2, 4 plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. That is 4y 12 minus 4, that is minus 8 equal to 0. 4y equal to 8, y equal to 8 by 4 equal to 2, that is 2, 2. Then when x equal to 6, 6 into 2, 12, then minus 12 cancel, that 4y equal to 0, y equal to 0, that is 6 and 0. Then x equal to minus 2, then minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 12 minus 4 minus 16. 4y equal to plus 16, y equal to 16 by 4 equal to 4. That is minus 2 and 4. So plotting these points, we can draw the graph of these two lines. This first we can draw using scale and pencil. You draw the axis on a graph paper. Then this is x, x dash, and this is y, y dash. First s plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. We can plot these points. Then here this is the 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then below minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on that way. Then 0 and 2, x coordinate is 0, then that will be in the point is in the y axis. When x coordinate is 0, point lies on the y axis, that is x 0 and y 2, that is this is the point. Then 2, 1, here 2 and here 1, that is here is the point. Then 6 minus 1, 6 is this and minus 1 is here. 6 minus 1, that is here is the point. Then 4 and 0, y coordinate is 0, sir, that is 4 here. Then we can draw this line joining these points, that is a straight line we get in this way. A straight line we get, and this line is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. In this way we can draw this line also, that is 0 and 3. This 0 and 3 is here, this is the point, and 2 2, here 2, here also 2, here is the point. Then 6 0, here 6 and 0, so this is the point. Then minus 2 4, that is minus 2 here, 4 is here. So connecting these points, this point and this point, and here one point in this way. That is, using scale you draw the straight line, and this line is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then let us do the exercise questions. Exercise 3.1. First question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation graphically and algebraically. First, algebraically. Let Aftab age is x and daughter's age be y now. Then 7 years ago Aftab age equal to x minus 7. Then daughter's age, that equal to y minus 7. Then Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. That is, Aftab's age is 7 times as old as daughter's age. So we can write Aftab's age is 7, x minus 7 is 7 times. 7 times means 7 multiplied by y minus 7. Then x minus 7 equal to 7 into y, 7y, 7 into minus 7, minus 49. So we can rearrange it, x minus 7, this minus 7y plus 49 equal to 0. 7y minus 49 we take in left side. So we can write x, then y minus 7y, then minus 7 plus 49, that is plus 42 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Also 3 years from now, that is 3 years from now, Aftab's age equal to x plus 3. Then daughter's age equal to y plus 3. And the relation 3 years from now I shall be 3 times, that is Aftab is, his age is 3 times his daughter's age, that is 3 into y plus 3. Then this we can write s plus 3 equal to 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 3 plus 9. Then rearranging it's in standard form, x plus 3 minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. That is x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9, that is minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. That is, algebraically we can represent by these two linear pair of equations, that is s minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. These are the algebraic representation. Then we can represent it as graphically. We can find out the points by substituting x values. This equation also we find out. In 3 points we can find out. Here x, here y, here x, here y. When x equal to 0, this equation becomes minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42, y equal to 6. So x equal to 0, y equal to 6. When x equal to 7, we get 7 plus 42, that is 49. Minus 7y is equal to minus 49 and y equal to plus 7. That is 7 are the points. When x equal to minus 7, then minus 7 plus 42, that is 35. Minus 7y is equal to minus 35 and y is equal to 5. That is minus 7, 5. So 3 points we get. 0, 6, 7, 7, minus 7, 5. Select the x values when we get the y values as a complete number. Okay, then here when x equal to 0, minus 3y equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2, 0, minus 2. When x equal to 3, 3 minus 6, that is minus 3, minus 3y is equal to plus 3, then y equal to minus 1. So 3 minus 1. Then when x equal to 6, then 6 minus 6, 0. So minus 3y is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then 6, 0. So we get 3 points. 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 6, 0. By drawing x-axis and y-axis. Here y dash, then 0 up to 7 points we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, then minus 7. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 0 and 6. When x-axis is 0, y-axis 6. The point is here. Then 7, 7. X 7, y also 7. The points from here, here. Here we get the points. Then minus 7, 5. Minus 7, 5. Here is minus 7. Minus 7 and 5 is here. So this is the point, and when we plot this point, we get as a straight line. This graph is s minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Then this graph 0 minus 2, 0 and minus 2 here first point. Then 3 minus 1, this 3 and minus 1 is here. Then 6, 0, here 6 and 0 is here. So 6, x coordinate, y coordinate is 0. So point will be in the x axis is 0. So these three we can plot in this way. Through scale you draw, then it will become a straight line. And this line name is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So the first question is over. First we find out the algebraic representation, and this is the geometrical representation. Balance questions we will do the next session. And I hope you understood all these concepts. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.